Hello viewers. Well, I'm going to see how this bike cold starts now. Got the jumper pack on it because the battery is not that good. I'll turn the fuel on and see what happens. I haven't really tuned it yet, so. Alright. I'll try and get a video of the engine while I'm doing it. Doesn't seem to have a... Oh, that's why. I'm a dickhead. Just got a choke. Turn that on. Turn it off. The jumper pack came off. Let's see if its battery's good enough. Piece of shit. Alright, hang on. Yeah. A tiny little terminal I can connect to. Yeah, just stay there. That's cool. Just a straight pipe, no muffler. Now, one more go. Just let it warm up a bit before I rev it. Does that sometimes. Running a bit lean. Yeah, I better pull the carb apart, clean it out, check the timing, all that shit. Thank you for watching. Hello viewers, I was just giving this little bike a tune up. I think I got it fairly right. Hopefully it doesn't stall after I say that. Running very well. Think it'll get a little rev. A bit late at night, so I don't want to make noise. Thank you for watching.